Hi everyone. Today our topic is Lorentz series. First of all, we have to discuss statement of Lorentz series. Let C1 and C2 are two concentric circles with center at small a and radii R1 and R2 respectively. R1 and R2 respectively. Let f of z be analytic on two circles. Let f of z be analytic on two circles C1 and C2, and in the analysis region R1 less than modulus of z minus a less than R2, and let z be any arbitrary point in the analysis region, and small t is any point on C1 or C2, then the Lorentz series of f of z around z equals to a, is given by f of z equals to summation n equals to 0 to infinity an into z minus a whole power n plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity bn into z minus a whole power minus n, where an equals to 1 by 2 pi I integral over c1 of f of t by t minus a whole power n plus 1 into dt, where n equals to 0, 1, 2, and so on, and bn equals to 1 by 2 pi I integral over c2 of f of t by t minus a whole power minus n plus 1 into dt, where n equals to 1, 2, 3, and so on. The process of finding the process of finding coefficients of an and bn by complex integration is complicated. So we have to expand f of z. By binomial theorem to get a Lorentz series. Next problems on Lorentz series. First problem is expand the function f of z equals to z minus 1 by z as Lorentz series for the reason modulus of z minus 1 greater than 1. The solution of this one equals to, given that f of z equals to z minus 1 by z, we have to put z minus 1 equals to w. That implies z equals to 1 plus w. Substitute this value in f of z. Therefore, f of z equals to, z is nothing but 1 plus w. 1 plus w minus 1 divided by 1 plus w. F of z equals to plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled in the numerator. W divided by 1 plus w. Call it as equation 1. In Lorentz series, in the denominator we can take either constant term or z term as constant depending on the region. Here region must be in the form of less than 1. So according to the given data, here given region is modulus of z minus 1 greater than 1. Since we know that z minus 1 equals to w, that equals to, the reciprocal of this value is equals to 1 by modulus of w less than 1. That means, therefore equation 1 becomes f of z equals to 1 w divided by 1 plus w. That equals to, here common as reason in the form of 1 by w. So that's why in the denominator common as w term. That equals to w divided by w into 1 plus 1 by w. W is cancelled if modulus of 1 by w less than 1 form. That implies this value can be written as 1 plus 1 by w whole power minus 1, that equals to summation n equals 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n 1 by w power n 1 by w power n, that equals to 1 less than modulus of w. That equals to w is nothing but a z minus 1 whole power n. This result equals to modulus of z minus 1 greater than 1. This is the solution of this is the required expansion of Lorentz series in the region modulus of z minus 1 greater than 1. Next, second problem in Lorentz series. Find the Lorentz series expansion of the function f of z equals to z square minus 6z minus 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 3 into z plus 2 in the region 3 less than modulus of z plus 2 less than 5. The solution of this problem is given that f of z equals to z square minus 6z minus 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 3 into z plus 2. Here we have said that here degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. Then we can find the partial fraction form. That is, the above function can be written in the partial fraction form is f of z equals to a divided by z minus 1 plus b divided by z minus 3 plus c divided by z plus 2, called as equation 1. Now I have to find the coefficients of a comma b and c values by using the shortcut method. Now capital A equals to limit s tends to z tends to 1 of z square minus 6z minus 1 divided by z minus 3 into z plus 2. Substitute this in the function z equals to 1. We get 1 minus 6 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 2, that equals to plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled, minus 6 by 3 into minus 6, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, that equals to 1. B equals to limit z tends to 3 of z square minus 6z minus 1 divided by z minus 1 into z plus 2, that equals to 9 minus 18 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 into 3 plus 2, that equals to minus 10 divided by 10, that equals to minus 1. And C equals to limit z tends to minus 2 of z square minus 6z minus 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 3, that equals to, substitute z value equals to minus in the above function, 4 plus 12 minus 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, that equals to 16 minus 1 means 15 divided by, here is minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15, that equals 1. Therefore, A equals to 1, B equals to minus 1 and C equals to 1. By substituting these values in equation 1, equation 1 becomes f of z equals to 1 divided by z minus 1 minus 1 divided by z minus 3 plus 1 divided by z plus 2. According to the given data, here we have to put z plus 2 equals to w. That implies z equals to w minus 2. Substitute this value in the above function. F of z equals to, therefore f of z equals to 1 divided by z is nothing but w minus 2, that equals to w minus 3 minus 1 divided by z is nothing but w minus 2, w minus 5 plus 1 divided by w minus 2 plus 2 means w. Call it as second equation. Here given reason is 3 less than modulus of z plus 2 less than 5. Since we know that z plus 2 is nothing but w, that is 3 less than modulus of w less than 5. That is 3 less than modulus of w and modulus of w less than 5. According to the given data of Lorentz series, here region must be in the form of less than 1 form. So that's why this value can be written as 3 by modulus of w less than 1 and modulus of w divided by 5 less than 1. Here regions in the form of 3 by w modulus of w and w by 5. So that's why f of z equals to, here we observe the region 3 by w, so that's why common as minus 3. That equals 1 divided by minus 3. Here we observe the region 3 by w, so that's why f of z equals to, in the first value, common as w into 1 minus 3 by w, 3 by w minus, and also here we observe the one more region modulus of w by 5 less than 1 form. In the second value common as minus 5, 1 divided by minus 5 into 1 minus w by 5 plus 1 by w. That equals to f of z equals to 1 by w into, this value can be written as taking the, we can write this value in the numerator 1 minus 3 by w whole power minus 1 minus of minus plus 1 by 5 into 1 minus w by 5 whole power minus 1 plus 1 by w. That equals to f of z equals to 1 by w summation n equals 0 to infinity 3 by w whole power n plus 1 by 5 into summation n equals 0 to infinity w by 5 whole power n plus 1 by w. That equals to f of z equals to summation n equals 0 to infinity 3 power n divided by w power n plus 1 plus 1 by 5 summation n equals 0 to infinity w power n divided by 5 power n plus 1 plus 1 by w. Since we know that w value is z plus 2, substitute this value in the above function, therefore f of z equals to summation n equals to 0 to infinity 3 power n divided by z plus 2 whole power n plus 1 plus summation n equals to 0 to infinity z plus 2 whole power n divided by 5 power n plus 1 plus 1 by z plus 2. This is the required Lorentz series expansion of the given function. Thank you.